Kumasi Asante Kotoko team. Na nyamene no kura ni mnie. Kotoko 4 ayo madwe say players omuo krom ha ya no. Ye be ade binom to Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no. And opana na mebe report to ma say there is this center back of Free Nations FC. The dine Asante Boahe. Na awie ya top to wait we a confirmed story ni phone na da soro no. Ono so wa join Kotoko pre-season campaign no under observation. Mamenka na minchirem aha ayenti asiefie. Enti we player on that screen so a. Enti asiefie ye nche wo story ho a little bit of profile bit media amount about Victor Oduro no and say in 2023 Dreams FC AJ MTN FA Cup akobo Africa no. Na sa player on that screen so na oka Dreams FC team no. O free Dreams FC ena o join team a your friend no Nations FC Victor Oduro. Obi papa sam say the position and say Victor Oduro position a obo right back naturally. It was a because Kotoko be here right back because Shaibu Abubakar enye fully fit. And already Lord Amwa captain Lord Amwa so onye fully fit. Enti Sakotoko right back semono ye be solve problem now. Na Victor Oduro wabo Ghana Premier League ni bi. Wabo MTN FA Cup ni bi. Wono na Asante Kotoko. Empanyifo ene the football director Stanley Menzo ama akonya ne se omra ni yanhwe no. Enti se no Kotoko pre-season ni de it is more or less like observation. Ye hwe players binom and me tuche e ma de empanyifo ye no. Behwe brabebo ubana obebo ne ye na o standard na emiti Kotoko aye be san o. Say sa na aye. Enti player make no wasemi. Me sure say wa follow Ghana League ni de obehunu Victor Oduro ni bobo. Apart from right back no, otimi sabo midfield. No kwasem na make a cho no. Ono otimi sabo winger duma no otimi kwa. Enti Victor Oduro de me bompai say pre-season na mpanyifo observe no. Ebe farmer no na Kotoko assign no. Currently we join the Kotoko pre-season campaign na oye under observation. So that make no. To say the various players. It is okay kaboma about 5 players be there. Yeah sure mo. Ye bompai say omomore moro ebe so mpanyifo ani na mpanyifo asan mo Victor Oduro Kotoko sign na many beje. He's a very good right back and ultimately a convertible midfield. Ebe ye adwuma no in the midfield. I say no entiase few asem ba ina adaje echiri mu ma. Edire ya nazo Hamza betima from the blog man. Me we adwuma be do see a cha bebre me long time.